So this is very fast. This is very fast, and it seems that it's holding it quite good. I just have to learn how to tighten it. When I have a gig, I always need to carry these stands with me. Those are for speakers and lights and microphone and guitar stand. So to make it easier to carry them, I always do something like this. There has to be a better way. So I'm gonna build something. I have this sheet of leather, two pieces of copper, and then now we'll see what we're gonna do with this. Okay, should do it. Next. Okay. Let's put it to the test. It's got no handle, but I'm always carry this with two hands anyway. So this is very fast. This is very fast, and it seems that it's holding it quite good. very heavy one. Just have to learn to tighten it. All right. So thank you for watching. This is it.